This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you won't lose work. Sign out and back up files to Google Drive or a USB. Once done, plug the charger in if battery is low. Make sure Wi-Fi name and password are handy. Now position your hands. You'll use ESC plus refresh plus power to invoke recovery. If the Chromebook is school-managed, know that admin restrictions may block a reset. Contact IT if that's the case before continuing. Press ESC and refresh together, then press power and release. Keep an eye for the recovery message. Once the recovery or sync screen appears, choose power wash or reset to factory settings. Click Restart to apply. Follow on-screen prompts to wipe user data and reinstall the Chrome OS image if offered. This removes accounts and local files while preserving firmware. Make sure you read each confirmation step so you don't skip required options during the process. After the reset completes, the device will reboot. Connect to Wi-Fi and sign in with your Google or Manage School account to reapply settings. Once signed in, restore documents from Drive and reinstall necessary apps from the web store or admin portal. If the power wash fails or the device loops, create a recovery USB on another computer using Chromebook Recovery Utility, or contact your IT department.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.